Alright, y'all know what I'm about to do. Do I even gotta explain it? I have another video, if you haven't seen it, of me doing this. And honestly, it wasn't as scary as it seemed. But this time, my friends, I'm planning on chopping off a lot of hair, okay? Last time I only did 3 inches. This time I wanna do like 7 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches, who knows, 10 inches, 12 inches. I'm gonna measure my hair again. Where's my handy dandy ruler? Can't find the ruler, but have no fear. Have my handy dandy toolbox. And I got my measuring tape. So let's go ahead and see what we're working with. Wow. All right, when did I make that video? I don't know, it's been a few months since I made that video. So let's see if my hair has grown since then. Of course, I have to re-wet it. Oh. We're doing a unicorn cut. Unicorn cut. I'm sure it says it in the title, but you know. Today, I was just having an awful day. Let me tell you, like, from start to end, it was just awful, okay? And I almost went to Sally's and I almost bought hair dye. But I was like, ain't nobody got time for that because Sally's is just so out of the way. So I came home and I was like, that's it. I'm gonna cut my hair. I am gonna cut my hair and I'm not just gonna cut it, I'm gonna chop it off, okay? We're not gonna be scared this time, right guys? All right, got my handy dandy brush, tangle teaser. Okay, let's do it in the middle so that the longest piece. All right, we're measuring at about 28, 29 inches. Alexa, how many feet is 28 inches?
28 inches is about 2 feet 4 inches.
Thanks, bitch. Yeah, so last time, whoa. Last time, my hair measured about 2 feet and 3 inches. And this time my hair is an extra inch. Y'all, my hair grew. Maybe trimming your hair every few months does work. Okay, anyways, we ain't gonna make this video long. We're just gonna get right into it. That's what everybody says before they make like a 20-minute video. All right, so you gotta do this with your hair flipped over and all you wanna do is just brush it. Okay, brush, brush, brush. That look you give the camera when you gotta make sure that it's recording. If y'all see me look like that, it's always to check if it's recording. I'd be ready to freak out, y'all. I'll be ready to be like, oh hell no. Oh yeah, by the way, last time when I thought that I cut these pieces, I didn't. Like, it's impossible for me to even cut these pieces because look how short they are. So I'm just gonna tie this up as close to my forehead as I can get. And before I tie it, I wanna make sure there's no bumps. Okay, I'm gonna get it real wet, all right? Real wet. But guys, notice how my ends this time aren't as thin as they were before. Look at them here and then look how thin they were last time. I will leave a link for my video in the description and up here. And for those of you wondering how this haircut works, it guarantees that you will have layers because you know what? I don't know how to explain it, I give up. We know teaching isn't in my future, but speaking of teaching, I do plan on making a video on how to edit videos using Final Cut Pro. So thumbs up or comment down below if you want to see that. Also, thumbs up if you like this video. Thumbs up if I should chop off all my hair. Thumbs up if I shouldn't chop off all my hair. Thumbs up if you're watching this right now. She's smooth, she's ready. All right, let's see how many inches I'm gonna cut off. Honestly, let me just put the hair bow on and then measure how many inches it's gonna be. So I'm thinking this much, right about here. All right guys, I'm gonna cut off this much, but this time I'm going to cut over here above the hair bow so that it can stay in the hair bow. Guys, I'm about to cut off 10 inches. 10 inches. That's 2 inches away from a foot. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, the anxiety's kicking in, but we're gonna do it. We're not gonna do it, we're not gonna think about it, we're just gonna do it, we're gonna do it. Oh my god, we're really gonna do it. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh my god, this is so hard. That's what she said. Oh my shit, what did I just do? Guys, oh, I was supposed to fix it. It's not freaking straight. Oh my god. I can't believe I just did that. Oh my god, I didn't even fix it. Wait, I didn't fix the ends. I feel like I just lost 10 pounds. Okay. Okay, we don't need to stress. It's gonna be okay. Oh my god. I cannot believe I just did that. Why does it look like it's still long though? That last layer looks so long. Okay, I'm gonna style my hair now. Try not to freak out. We're freaking out. I'm gonna die. Guys, this really happened. It's okay, it's okay, it's gonna be okay. Okay, I need to go like soak my hair. Okay, I just soaked my hair and I'm gonna put it back up in the ponytail because I was supposed to like trim the ends like this, you know, so that they're not so thick. I hope I don't ruin it. Okay. So now, oh my god, I just dropped my hair. Sophie's trying to play fetch with my hair. Okay. Shit, okay. I'm just gonna do it section by section and just like, you know, this is gonna make me lose more inches, but okay, I'm not doing this right. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. Guys, I've literally never cut this much hair off, ever. Like, whenever I go to the hair salon, I tell them only to cut 1 inch, 2 inches. Like, I'm literally... It's gonna look great, it's gonna look fine. Okay, I'm just gonna apply my favorite hair product. This is Cantu's Coconut Curling Cream. I can never go wrong with this. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go dry my hair and come back and show you guys the final results. I can't believe I just did that. I might actually cry after this video is over, so y'all might not be hearing from me. Oh, and for those of you that care, I did delete my Instagram, you know, in case you're wondering where I am. I'm sure people probably think I blocked them or something, but like, no words. No freaking words. And honestly, I ain't even mad at it. Like, it looks good. It looks really good. It looks really healthy. It is bouncy. Curls are popping. I feel light. Of course, it's sad. Like, it hurts my soul that, like, all those years of growing my hair out, and I just cut it in a blink of an eye. But anyways, I have been seeing so many of these videos where, for example, one of them is like, this is me practicing how I'm gonna give my failed test to my student or whatever, and they're like, okay, so this is how I'm gonna practice giving myself my hair. That doesn't make sense, but I just wanted to do some acting, you know, see if I'm good at this. Okay, anyways, so this is the shortest layer. Like, yo, I cut off half my hair. Look at this. I can't believe this, okay? And honestly, like, the layers aren't very proportional. It goes swoop, swoop, but it's gonna grow back. This is the thing, y'all. If this was me at a hair salon and somebody did this to me, I would be mad. But I can't be mad at myself. Maybe for a split second. That's why I just do everything on my own these days. Like, there's nobody to be mad at but myself. And why would I spend my life being mad at myself? I'm happy, okay? I'm happy. Okay, let me go end this video so I can go cry now. Oh, I'm just kidding. I love it. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down if you didn't enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. You know the drill. And I will see you guys in my next video.